back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to show you a quick runs in the key of G. The key of G has the notes G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and then G. So the runs goes like this. So it goes like this: 1, 2, flat 3, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 1, 5, 1, 1, 6, 5, 3, flat 3, 2, 1, then 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So something like that. So right. So when I say 1, 2, I'm calling the number system. That's the number of the scale degree. Yeah, individual scale degree. So one more time. So let me do that slowly again. So how this helps. So don't forget to click the subscribe button for more. God bless you. Alright. So God bless you in Jesus' name. Yeah.